right-click on your mouse to drag the tooth. You can have several teeth saved under the same procedure. When there are more than 2 teeth, the gap between the teeth can be selected as the bridge by left-clicking on your mouse. Hold down the Control button, select another tooth to paste the same dental procedure applied to the previous tooth. Hold down the Shift button, select different teeth to copy-add the most recent tooth procedure on the nuance range of procedures. Hold down the right click and select a tooth to remove the assigned procedure.